Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have a 10 by 10 inch canvas and I have painted the sides somewhat black. I mean, not as thoroughly as I probably could. I'm going to prop this up so it doesn't stick to my table. And I'm going to try my hardest to let myself use some favorite colors. There we go, black, favorite color. And did I save myself an OXO omelet turning spatula? Yes, I did. I have no idea what I'm going to do other than the fact that it's going to be a swipe. And I want a little bit of paint on my canvas to start with. And I think I'm going to break as many rules as possible right now. I think it would be really nice if that were open. Wow, that was a big plug. Okay, at least it's open now. So I want to just use a couple of favorite colors. A few. I'm so bad at trying this. Alright. And if I think I can stop myself, I'll try. That is a purple flash from Folk Art. That is a turquoise that's got metallic in it, and I have no idea where it came from. I want to take this and put it in the bucket. I'm going to knock off that little bit of paint first. So I want to use the enamel. Is that the enamel? Maybe that's not the enamel. Wait. There it is. Probably would have worked anyway. I get a mosquito dug in my chin right now. Alright, so I'm going to do something simple and easy, I hope. We'll see. I've got a little dish of can of colors over here that I'm going to dump on an 8 by 10 inch canvas if I can. Look how pretty those are. Those are today's colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Alright, so this has got a relatively clean edge, sort of, kind of. And I'm going to put a little pressure on it. And that did not work at all, so I'm just going to go back again. Three times. Wow. Okay. Well, that's definitely not what I had in mind. Let's see what we can do with it. So the edge, the swipe card needs to be fresh. Let me grab something fresher than that. Might still be cool. Might be still very cool. Might be accidentally cool. Kind of want to put a little bit of black right in here. A little bit more gold. And find myself a nice small swipe card. Yeah, I don't want to do much to that. I've got some spaces that have a need for filling, and I could have used my finger, but I didn't want a round mark. So I'm just going to drag this with the paint on it. Up and down a little. Down and up a little. Looking for places that might need something. And even this paint over here, oh, I just want to stick something in there. I didn't need to, but I wanted to. So, that's pretty cool. I'm okay with that. I am going to do what I said I was going to do. Actually, I'm not. I'm just going to take some of this paint on the very tip of that point. So that's pretty simple. And I got there in a very circuitous way. And I've got a dish full of paint that if I wanted to use it, I could just keep dipping my card in and pulling it out. So I'm going to probably use that in a minute. I'm going to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. Looking for the top that came off that dish and not finding it. There's another one right there, that'll work. So this is organic and cool, and I like it, and I'm so glad you guys were here for it. And it's definitely not symmetrical, and that does not matter, and my OCD is not kicking in too badly. And my torch is almost done, so let's hope I can get one more lighting out of it. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and sometimes we release patterns. If you want patterns, you might want to use silicone. If you don't mind what you get, then use enamel acrylic, and that might help a lot. I see that I have a little line goes across, and it's bugging me. So I'm just going to pounce very gently the tip and call it good. I am selling my artwork, I mentioned that, and I'm trying to make some smaller pieces so they're more affordable. I'm hoping to deal with PayPal pretty quick here, because they're offering 6 months, no interest, financing on anything over $100. So that ought to put you right in the ballpark if you've wanted to own some of my art. Anybody who helps me out is very appreciated and is supporting the studio and the production of videos. So if you're interested in purchasing a piece of artwork, please feel free to contact me. My email address is under the Linktree link underneath the video, and also under the video you're going to find the paint pouring recipe and my mixing instructions. On the Linktree you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. My edges are covered. I love that. It reminds me of so many, I don't know, it just, it's evocative of some sort of scene at night and northern lights, and as I watch it's just bringing up all kinds of colors. And I love it, and if that's canvas, it's gonna go. I love you guys. There's almost 87,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you're looking for a commercial-free channel, try Expressionist Art Studio. Excuse me, try Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art. If you're looking for more videos, I have 1,360 videos organized by the 100 and by genre, and you can find them on my playlists on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm going to do it. Because if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. That was just a little bit of canvas that was showing, and I didn't want it to. So I should read my crib sheet. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really, really appreciate them. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep me and my morale boosted all the time. Thank you for the donations that have kept me painting and creating YouTube videos. And if you're looking to help continue that tradition, then if you shop the Teespring all over print t-shirts and leggings and other things, link underneath the video, you will be helping. The the Amazon link definitely helps me out eventually. It's at no added cost to you and helps. It's under the Teespring, under the Linktree link. I'm getting confused. Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram are under Linktree. Also, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where you can find tomorrow's videos most nights right before midnight. And the community board on my YouTube channel is a great place to find the video for the next day, most of the time around midnight. I'm posting around 12 and 12:30 for both channels, and I don't know how much longer I'm going to post at 11 a.m. in the morning. If you're not getting notifications, you can try, but from what I've heard, 85% of notifications are not delivered. So if you're looking for me, look for me. You might find me more easily than if you wait for YouTube to let you know. There is a drawing on the end screens, and if you are a contributor through PayPal or Patreon, you will be included in that drawing, and on that exhibition video, on the last 20 seconds of any video, you will find the monthly prizes. So I love you guys. I will see you guys anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I've been swiping all day and having a good time doing it, and I'm so glad you were here to join me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.